Story right now, CBI sources are telling us that 157 documents and files from 1993 till 2009 are missing. The CBI is waiting for official intimation from the coal minister. These are very important documents for the investigation. Poonam is with us with more details on this. Now, Poonam, with 157 documents missing, more importantly from 1993 to 2009 as per your sources, what happens if the coal ministry fails to give these documents to the CBI?
Well, to begin with, this is a huge number of files or documents that is CBI is yet to receive. What CBI sources are saying that these files are very crucial for them to carry forward the investigation, because some of these files are on the FIRs which they registered from the period 2006 to 2009. In fact, because of that reason, the 13 FIRs that reason, the 13 FIRs that they have registered, in fact, CBI is saying that some of the FIRs investigation will certainly get hampered, and because of which the charge sheet may get delayed, and also the charge sheet may not be as strong as it would have been with those files. What CBI is also adding that since these are very important files or the documents, they will certainly approach CAG if at all coal ministry gives a list of the documents that they will not be able to supply to CBI. And the third option that CBI would be looking after CAG is to reconstruct some of the documents or the files. But the focus of the CBI right now is to file the status report on the 27th of August, and because of which they are expecting a formal reply from the coal ministry, and on the basis of that the status report will be filed.
Well, thanks for that, Poonam. Of course, the opposition has been up in arms, even as the coal minister has made it clear that the search is on. This is a statement coming in from the government on the missing Coalgate files.
The Honorable Minister for Coal, he made it very clear that the search is going on. The committee has been constituted. The committee is going into it, and we will try to take those files and we will submit it whenever it is required by the CBI. The issue which the BJP is raising is a political issue. They are not interested in running the house. They wanted to block the proceedings of the house because the files which are missing is prior to our UPA government and between 1998 to 2004. During NDA government, these files were there, and they, according to the minister, that these files could not be traced. We will trace them because the search is going on. That's what he said.
सरकार कह रही है कि कुछ फाइलें गुम हो गई है, कुछ फाइलें इधर उधर हो गई है, कुछ फाइलें मिल नहीं रही है। ये सब अलग अलग शब्द है, लेकिन ये सब बहाने हैं। मतलब साफ है कि सरकार सीबीआई के जांच को सही मुकाम तक पहुंचने नहीं देना चाहती, और इसका कारण ये है कि चूंकि प्रधानमंत्री कोयला मंत्री थे, आखिर उनकी जिम्मेवारी बनेगी, और इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री जी को बचाने के लिए कांग्रेस का ये षड्यंत्र है। सीबीआई के जांच को वो अंजाम तक नहीं पहुंचने दे रहे, यही मुद्दा है। और ये जल्दी बाहर आएगा कौन कौन सी फाइल, वो अगर सरकार नहीं बताएगी तो हम बताएंगे।